Bang! Needs Knives. I'm Jared and we are at Blade Show 2023 Atlanta, and we're gonna see if we can't find the best new gentleman knife. Let's check it out. Now I know in most cases a gent knife is a slip joint, but here we have the new Gunslinger from JACKWOLF Knives, who typically makes gent knives, which are slip joints. Now we have a bolster lock with a clip that is removable. And you can see here when you remove it, you can replace it with a tab. And it is a frame lock with a front flipper and a reverse flicking aperture, which is very snappy. It has a really cool sound to it. Super thin geometry, just like usual from JACKWOLF Knives. And yeah, these things, they completely outdid themselves with this one. This has got to be my favorite knife they've ever made. Obviously, I really like locking knives, so I think this is a great way to get into gent knives if you're not into slip joints and you like locking knives. You can see they have a lot of different flavors here. All fat carbon fiber, titanium mill pocket clip, titanium bolster lock, and then S90V blade steel. What's up, guys? We are at Blade Show 2023 with Ben from JACKWOLF Knives. Once again, checking out some new stuff, and he's got something really, really interesting this time. He always has something interesting, but this time it's really, really interesting. Can you show it to us, bud?
Sure. Throwing some curveballs at you, Blade Show 2023. So we are introducing the Gunslinger Jack. You'll recognize the shape of this knife from our sharpshooter jack, which is a slip joint, but the Gunslinger is not a slip joint. It's a bolster lock. Has a pocket clip, has an anodized back spacer, which resembles a slip joint spring. And the anodized, you can see through the blade well, which is a kind of nice touch. You can middle finger flick it for a righty or a lefty because the fuller's on both sides. And it has a pretty rad thumb flipper. And because I'm a slip joint guy and I'm not really a pocket clip guy, I like to carry in leather. Now we have these custom leather slips for sale, but what I want to draw your attention to is the pocket clip delete feature. There's a titanium plug included with the knife that matches the anodizing of the clip in the back spacer. So you have to take the knife apart to install it. I didn't want any exposed screws because I like the look. But that allows you to carry it like a slip joint. Yeah, no, this is awesome, man. It's basically a bolster lock. And I love that you got a clip now or not. You know, that's really, really cool. No, this thing is amazing. And just when I first picked it up, you know, this thing feels really good. Yeah. Yeah, they break in really nice. They're smooth. Super smooth. Super smooth. It's a thin, hollow grind like you're used to from JACKWOLF, so it's not the most drop-shutty knife. But it is, though, because the blade is so light from that hollow grind that this thing, in most cases, this is very smooth for how light that blade is. Yes. That is really good. Yeah, it's really well made. It's got the JACKWOLF aesthetic. It's going to complement your slip joints well if you're that kind of guy, or if you're just a locking knife guy, well, now I got something for you. Yeah, this is awesome, man. We got 5 colors. We have dark matter gold with gold ano. We have camel carbon bazooka pink with dark blue ano, kind of a contrasting Miami style. We've got, where are we at? Toxic green with green ano. We've got purple haze with purple ano. And we've got Arctic blue with blue ano. Here's the purple one. And then these custom sheaths, they can get these on your site? I'll have them on my site. Right now I just have them here at the show. Nice. Yep, these are made by Northwoods Leather. It's the only Northwoods that has the JACKWOLF stamp. Knives are $350, leather slips are $40, slip joints are $300. That's really good. Ben, thank you, man. Thank you, I appreciate you.